Hi all, welcome back, and today I'm going to be making a Chinese chicken and broccoli. I'm going to be whacking it in the slow cooker just because I have work, so it'll be done by the time I'm finished. So what I'll do is I'll show the ingredients. I am making a double batch, so I'll do both and then we'll see what we can do. So we've got our chicken thighs. I'm going to get those deboned in a moment. Ginger, oil, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, honey, ginger, spring onions and some broccoli. Just to let you guys know as well, I have already got my slow cooker set up and it is red hot, so I'm going to get everything in there in a moment. I'll start off with the oil measurements and we'll go from there. So first things first is your oil. So you're going to need 3 tablespoons, but in this one I'm adding 6 because I'm doubling it, so I'll just get that poured in. Next thing I want to do is chop my spring onion. So it does call for, well, about 3, but in this one I'm using a bit more, so probably you're going to use about 8, just because these are quite small. Then what we'll do is we'll get them in the slow cooker and get them mingled with the hot oil. So they are nice and roughly chopped, so I'm just going to get them added in the oil. You can hear a little bit of a sizzle, so that's good. Remember to put the lid back on so it keeps all the heat in. So next thing I'm going to do is add a teaspoon of ginger. It depends how much you like ginger, and it did say roughly about 1 inch of it all grated, but I don't have fresh ginger, so we'll just put that amount in, probably a little bit more. If you're making a single batch, I'll probably put half a teaspoon in, and then that'll probably suffice. Next thing you're going to need is 2 cloves of garlic in the standard one, so it's 4 cloves of garlic in mine, which will probably equate to about a teaspoon. As I said in previous recipes, I love garlic, so we can get that much in and get it into the slow cooker. So the next thing you're going to need in this is 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. So because the tablespoons won't fit in mine, I'm going to have to literally quadruple it. So we're going to be looking at 12 teaspoons for me, or 6 teaspoons for you. So I'm just going to get that added into the slow cooker and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what we're looking like at the minute. So it's not too bad. It is coming together, so I'm just going to leave that to sweat down while I measure out the other ingredients. Next thing you're going to need is 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So for this one I'm going to be using 6. You can use light soy sauce or dark soy sauce, there we go. It just depends what you've got in your cupboard. So yeah, I'm just going to use dark soy sauce and put 6 in. For you guys it's 3. So at the moment I'm just getting my chicken thighs all cut up and deboned. I will eventually show a video of me doing that, but just for the minute I'm just going to get it all chopped up and then get it in the pan to get it all browned, and then it can go in the slow cooker then. So that is your 6 chicken thighs for a normal batch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double that and add some chicken breast in. So I'll be doing a mix of the both. We'll get that fried off until it's brown and then we'll get that added in the pan. Just to show you guys, I've now all put the chicken in there. Now it's a bit more browned, and then what I'll do is I'll add the honey and everything later. I'm just going to let this steep while I'm working. Next thing we're going to do is add our hot water. So it's meant to be 6 tablespoons, but I'm adding 12 just because I've doubled it. Next one we're going to add is 6 tablespoons of honey for you guys, and for me it's 12, so just get them added in as well. So next thing is to sort your broccoli. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give them a quick wash. Next thing we're going to do is take the base off. So go through like that. Then we're going to start cutting off individual bits. So let's go like that. I have already put one in the pot already, just because, as I said earlier, I'm doing a double batch, but you would be looking at just 1 head of brock. I forgot what I was going to say then. Yeah, just give him a good rinse and just basic go at him get as much off as you can. And then I will come back once I've cut him all up, and then we can tip him in the slow cooker then. So that's our broccoli all chopped down, so I'm going to get that added in. I have added some more water as well into the pot, just because it wouldn't have sat right. Let's just get that whacked in without getting it all over the floor back. There we go. Oh no, we lost a bit. We lost a couple of bits actually. No. Get in. Right, so give that a good mix. So I'm going to leave this on low for, what time is it now? 3, half 3, half 4, half 5. Probably like 4 hours, but if you want this fairly quick, then whack it on high and it will be done in like 2. But yeah, I'm just going to leave this to steep and get cooked. So I'll come back to you when it's all done. So this is the chicken and broccoli out of the slow cooker. I've still got quite a lot left. I've served me and Jacob. So I'd probably say you're going to be looking at another kind of 4 to 6 servings out of that one, which is what I've made. Or little servings like I've done, you're probably going to get like 10, 12 out of that. So I'm going to leave this one here. So if you liked it, like it and subscribe, and I'll see all you lovely people later. Bye.